Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Am I vlogging today? No, I'm not vlogging today. Hey guys, welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday. My name is Megan and I am your body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds. I just wanted to take the time today to be like, oh my god, 700 subscribers. I could not do this without you guys. I never thought that this channel was gonna take off as fast as it has. And I promise you that I am working on bringing you more content, because right now the only thing I'm really consistent about is What I Ate Wednesdays, but I want to try to get to uploading about 3 times a week. I absolutely love making videos. I love doing these things. I just want to be able to bring you good content. I just don't want to throw out videos just to throw out videos. So today we're doing another What I Ate Wednesday. Already said that. I have my breakfast already planned, just doing a simple bacon, eggs. But what I wanted to tell you was that I forgot last week when I was doing bacon and eggs for breakfast, because it was a really bad week, but this week is a really good week, is I forgot to talk to you about this bacon. So many times people think, oh, I don't want to eat bacon, bacon's bad for you. And yeah, if you're eating a pound of bacon, anything is bad for you in large amounts. I do tend to eat bacon almost every day. I only have 2 or 3 slices of it. This is my favorite. It has no nitrates in it. It's raised hormone free. It doesn't have any of the preservatives, so it does go a lot faster, but it cooks up really crispy, and it's something that you don't have to feel guilty about eating. So I'm gonna go ahead, eat my breakfast, get going with this day. I still haven't grocery shopped for the week. I have some awesome stuff planned for the rest of the day though, so stay tuned. Working on trying to simplify my nutrition. I found at first that I was trying to be way too creative and I was eating stuff that I didn't like, and then I would end up being mad because I didn't like it. So I really have gone back to the basics and not been so obsessive about, oh, I have to try this because this is what the meal plan says and then I don't like it. So for lunch today, all I'm just having simple can of tuna fish with a little bit of real mayonnaise. Yes, real mayonnaise. I'm not using that Greek yogurt because we know what happened last time that I had the Greek yogurt. And then I'm gonna pair that with a really big salad. I love doing this at work too, because it seems like every time I heat something up, if I bring something that needs to be heated up, I have a customer that needs to be waited on. So this is something that you can bring to work with you, have yourself a really big salad, and I'm also pairing it with a few crackers. So super simple, not going out of my way this week to do anything crazy as far as lunch goes, and it's something that you can just pack and go. I forgot what I usually say for this, but anyways, I'm gonna make my shake, and I've been trying to do some different things for you just so you can see that there's a wide variety of things that you can do to put in your Shakeology. And today I'm gonna actually be using the powdered peanut butter. I'm leaving it. The powdered peanut butter. Sometimes people don't like the full peanut butter. They don't like the taste, and a lot of people are scared to use this. So go ahead and give this a try. You can actually put a lot more in it. You get more bang for your buck and you get more of that peanut buttery taste. Okay, here we go. I love peanut butter. I'd put another scoop in if I could, but for real, if you want just like a straight on peanut butter tasting Shakeology, I recommend using the PB2 versus real peanut butter. So good. I am getting ready to prep dinner, which I am super excited for. I know I say I'm excited about everything, but when it comes to chicken wings, I am like chicken wing, and it's probably why kind of gained a lot of weight because when I fell off, I was eating like chicken wings, pizza, and beer. So I found this recipe. She's actually a YouTuber, and if you don't follow her, I would definitely recommend following her. She's not always healthy, but she really just focuses on portion control and not eating a ton. And she has this chicken wing recipe, and it's a baked chicken wing recipe. And usually I'm not a fan of baked, but there's some sort of like secret thing where you're gonna take the chicken wings and you're going to put them in a little bit of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and then have them sit for 2 hours, and that's supposed to make them really, really crispy. This is probably like my most exciting dinner. It just absolutely looks like something that you would order pizza in or something like that, and I am super excited. So I'm gonna taste test this stuff for you. Sorry I didn't do a tutorial. I was kind of in a rush, and it actually is quite a little bit time consuming just to get everything together. But a couple tips that I want to give for you is I made cauliflower rice breadsticks. Get the riced cauliflower that you can get right in the frozen section of any of your grocery stores. Microwave that, and then make sure that you're squeezing it. You're gonna wanna put it in some sort of tape, some sort of towel, and you wanna squeeze as much of that cauliflower juice out as possible. Tip for you, I was like in a super rush, and I burned the crap out of my hand. So don't burn the crap out of your hand. Make sure that you realize when it comes out of the microwave. I know you're gonna be like, Megan, I know, but I ended up being in a rush and burned crap out of my hand. So I'm gonna taste test these. They feel crispy. They definitely look crispy. Oh my gosh. Did you eat one? They're not, they don't give you that fried. I mean, nothing's gonna give you that fried taste, but oh, they're really, really, really good. I do have an air fryer. I could have easily done them in the air fryer, but I just wanted to see what it would be like to put them in the oven. They're awesome. And then we have our cheesy cauliflower bread. Give this a good little taste. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ugh. I still taste a little bit of the cauliflower. Good. I feel like I have takeout right now. This by far has been my #1 dinner that I have made. All right, guys, there you have it. Another What I Ate Wednesday. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna gobble this right up. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.